Welcome back, students. This video is for the students of class 7, subject English. In this video, we are going to discuss our topic voice from our PC Rents grammar book, and this is my lecture number 3 for voice. So, my dear students, in our last two lectures, we discussed the rules how to change active to passive voice. And we discussed the tense rule for simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect tense, simple past, past continuous tense, and past perfect tense. In this video, we are going to read how to change simple future and the sentences which have modal auxiliaries. Just have a look. Simple future tense. Basically, what is the basic rule of simple future tense that is used in active voice? That is will, shall plus verb first form of verb. When we will change this active voice into passive voice, it will be or shall be plus verb third form. Okay. As I told you earlier also in my last lecture also, that in passive voice we will always use verb third form. So with will shall, instead of will shall, in passive voice we will use will be or shall be. For example, see, I will return the CD tomorrow. I, I is subject. I will become object. And according to the rules of changing pronouns, I will become me. And before me, I will write by. Okay. The CD is object in active voice. The CD object will become subject in passive voice. And will return will become will be returned. Okay, will be returned. Third form of verb, that is returned. Now the CD will be returned by me. This tomorrow will come at the end tomorrow. So the sentence of passive voice will be the CD will be returned by me tomorrow. I hope it is clear. Now, rule for changing the sentences which have modal auxiliary verbs. For example, can, could, shall, should, may, might, will, would, must, and so on. So the rule in active voice is modal verb plus V1. In passive voice, it will be modal verb plus be plus verb third form of verb. See with the help of example. If I say Pratap can lift the box. Pratap is subject. It will become object in passive voice, and before object we will write by. The box object is the object in active voice. That is the object, the box will become subject in passive voice. That is the box. Okay. So can lift will become, according to this rule, can lift will become can be lifted. Okay. Modal auxiliary plus be plus V3. So the sentence of passive voice will be the box can be lifted by Pratap. Okay. Now, here are some points that you have to keep in your mind. The first point is present, past, future. Perfect continuous tense and future continuous tense have no passive voice. Okay, so what does it mean? That there are four tenses which have no passive voice. Which are those four tenses? Present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense, and future continuous tense. These tenses have no passive voice. The second point which you have to keep in your mind is we usually omit the by phrase if we don't know the doer or if it is not necessary to mention the doer. Okay. For example, I told you that the sentences in which the subjects are somebody, someone, in those sentences we will omit the by phrase. Okay. For example, this is the another case. In active voice, the class elected him monitor. In passive voice, the sentence will be he was elected monitor. Okay, by the class is not necessary. You can omit that. See the next example. They chose Mr. Sharma president. The passive voice will be Mr. Sharma was chosen president. Okay, so in such sentences, there are some exceptional sentences in which we will omit by phrase. The next thing that you have to keep in your mind is the object or the subject may be a long phrase instead of a single word. Okay, means the object can be a phrase, a subject can be a phrase. It is not necessary that object and subject will always be a single word. In those cases, what we will do, the whole phrase will change. For example, the storm uprooted a large number of trees and poles. Now, the phrase a large number of trees and poles is object. This complete phrase will become subject in passive voice. A large number of trees and poles were uprooted by the storm. Okay. So, how to change passive voice to active voice now? Till now we were reading how to change active to passive voice. Now we have to reverse it. Okay. See, the sentence is a rat was killed by a cat. This is a passive voice sentence. So, same, a rat, that is subject in passive voice, will become object in active voice. A rat. And object of passive voice will become subject of active voice. A cat. Okay. Was killed by will not be written. Okay, in active voice there will be no by. Now it comes was killed. Was killed is used in simple past. Okay, and what is the rule for simple past in active voice? V2, that is verb second form. So what is the second form of killed? It is killed. So the sentence becomes a cat killed a rat. Okay, means you have to use all those rules, just you have to change. Okay. So now your homework is you have to revise the complete topic voice and do give an exercise in your book. Now the first exercise I have already given you. We shall discuss its solution also. This is your second exercise which you have to do in your homework. So the second exercise is rewrite the following sentences in active voice. First, Sir John Murray was killed by a cannonball. Second, he was buried by us darkly at dead of night. Third, not a drum was heard. Fourth, America was discovered by Christopher Columbus. Fifth, he was treated ungratefully by his sailors. Sixth, the work must be done by you and your brother. Seventh, the match was won by the high school. Eighth, the first railway was built by George Stephenson. Ninth, he was swindled by his own brother. And tenth, the king was welcomed by the people. Now we shall discuss homework solution of voice of lecture number 2, in which I gave you one exercise to do. Okay, so now we shall discuss its solution. The exercise was rewrite the following sentences in passive voice. Okay, you have to convert active to passive voice. The first sentence was the boy has made a kite. The boy is subject, subject will become object. A kite is object, it will become subject. And before object we will add by. Now the verb is has made. The rule will be has been and verb third form made. So the sentence becomes a kite has been made by the boy. Okay. The second sentence is his teacher praised him. Him is object, it will become subject he according to the rules of changing pronouns. His teacher is subject, it will become object, and before object we will add by. Praised means V2, V2 means simple past, and in simple past the rule for passive voice is was, were plus V3, verb third form. Now he is singular, that's why I have used was. And what is third form of verb of? Third form of praise, it is praised. So the sentence becomes he was praised by his teacher. So the third sentence is he invited us into his house. He is subject. Subject will become object and it will change into him. Before object we will add by. Invited us. Us is object. It will become we, that is subject, okay, in passive voice. Invited means V2. V2 means simple past. So the rule for simple past in passive voice is was, were plus verb third form. We is plural, that's why I have used were. Invited, that is third form of verb, and the remaining phrase into his house. Okay, so the sentence becomes we were invited by him into his house. Now, the fourth sentence is your behavior vexes me. Vexes means annoy. Okay. So, your behavior is subject. It will become object in passive voice and before object we will add by. Vexes means we have used simple present tense. In simple present tense, the rule for passive voice is MR plus verb third form. Now first of all see what will be the subject. Object of active voice is me. Now it will become subject and it will change into I. With I will use am. So I am, and third form of vex is vexed. I am vexed by your behavior. Clear? The fifth sentence is the man cut down the tree. Okay, so the man is subject, it will become object, and before object we will add by. The tree is object, it will become subject, the tree. Now cut down, this shows that simple past tense has been used. So in simple past the rule is was, were plus verb third form. So along with the tree, that is singular, I will use was. Third form of cut is cut. Cut, cut, cut. So cut down. So the sentence becomes the tree was cut down by the man. Okay. The sixth sentence is Shivaji defied the Mughal emperor. Shivaji is subject, it will become object. Before object by. The Mughal emperor is object, it will become subject, the Mughal emperor. Now defied shows V2. V2 is used in simple past. So in simple past, the rule for passive voice is was, were plus verb third form. Now as Mughal emperor is singular subject, so I will use was, and third form of defy is defied. Okay, so the sentence in passive voice becomes the Mughal emperor was defied by Shivaji. Okay. The seventh sentence is he feeds the horse every day. Okay. He, that is subject, will become object and it will change according to pronouns. So it will become him. The horse is object. It will become subject. Feeds shows V1 plus SORS, that shows simple present tense has been used. So the rule for simple present tense in passive voice is MR plus verb third form. The horse is singular, so I have used is. Third form of feed is fed, so the sentence becomes the horse is fed by him every day. Okay. The eighth sentence is the police have arrested him. The police is at subject place, so it will become object, and before the police we will write by in passive voice. Him is object in active voice, it will become subject in passive voice, and him will change into he according to the rules of changing pronouns. Now, have arrested shows present perfect tense has been used. So the rule for present perfect tense is has, have plus been plus verb third form. Now as he is singular subject, so we will use has, then been, and third form of arrest is arrested. So the sentence becomes he has been arrested by the police. The ninth sentence is he scored 50 runs. He is subject, it will become object and will change into him. Before object we will add by. 50 runs is object. Object will become subject in passive voice. And scored, that is V2. So V2, that is verb second form, shows simple past tense has been used. So rule for simple past tense is was were plus verb third form. Now 50 runs shows plural. So with plural subject we will use were, and third form is scored. So the sentence becomes 50 runs were scored by him. The last sentence is he made a very remarkable discovery. He is subject, it will become object and will change into him. And before he, what we will write by. Now made a very remarkable discovery. This complete phrase, a very remarkable discovery, is object. This will become subject, that is a very remarkable discovery. Now made is verb second form, that shows simple past tense has been used. So the rule is was were plus verb third form in passive voice. So a very remarkable discovery. A shows that it is singular subject. With singular subject we will use was and verb third form, that is made. So the sentence becomes a very remarkable discovery was made by him. Okay. So now I hope that the topic is clear to you. If you like the video, then kindly subscribe our channel and like the videos.